Hello everyone, you're probably wondering why I have got these, because I'm going to be making these little things. Oh my god. I'm just going to be showing you how to make them for your LPS. Let me just move the line. Yeah. Oh god, you're gonna fall. There we go. So I've made one for Ashley. Really? Just put the spotlight on them. So I've made one for Ashley. I need to move it. I'm not gonna take all the credit. Crystal, my friend, made this one, and this one. So Leah's and Ava's and Lily's. Oh my god! And they just look so yummy. And guys, guess what? I might be getting more LPS. And Crystal, I hope you liked your blind bag. So stuff like that. So yeah. And then here's Devilina's. And then here's Lauren's. So yeah. I'm gonna be showing you how to make those for your little LPS people, your LPS girls. Oh my god! And for my model, it's Victoria. And so some blue bands. These are just like sprawling bands that I had. So So you can have as many as you want. They don't have to be the same color. They could be multicolors, because I'm kind of basing this, and that. This, and this on Bonfire Night, so it's like multicolors! Okay. So yeah, and my camera may sound weird because of the S's and stuff like that, but that's just normal. I've got a song stuck in my head, and it's called "Give Me One Reason." I think. I don't know. But it's just, so I've got a green over here, I've got a sticky, there's a blue one here. I can probably make a couple. And happy Halloween for tomorrow, oh god. And guys, I'm going to be doing my Halloween costume later. I might not show it to you because it's going to have fresh paint on it. Oh my god, this is devastating! You do have to be really patient. But I'm just not. I'm not patient at all. But I know what I am patient at. Being a mental patient! My mom might call me to put stuff on my radiator, but I am not doing a video because I never tell her when I'm doing a video, so she just interrupts it, and it's really annoying. And in the background there's my mom and my sister shouting. Again. So that's how you make one. So you just get as much loom bands as you want. I don't like making it too thick. Don't know why, but I just don't. Sometimes it does fall apart because it's annoying, but it doesn't matter. Sometimes it can snap whilst you're doing it. Sorry if you can't see it, but here it is. So let's put it on. Sometimes it can roll off of an ear, but I don't care. So yeah, bonfire night happen. Woo! So you just need loom bands. Keep falling. Loom bands, any color. Woo! Have got quite a lot of orange. So yeah. So I'm sorry if you couldn't see it. I'm gonna be showing you how to make all this cover. Whoa! Yeah. So, loom bands. Loom bands equal this. Loom bands equal this. And so beautiful! Now we can add one more to make a direction. Beautiful. I can't really fit anymore. Got the money. Move. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, you fell! Loom bands equal this! So, I'm just gonna go show you all of these. So, this is Leah's. That was skin! You can probably see a little bit of metal here. It's just from my stand, so don't worry. Don't you keep falling! That's gonna have to do. So here's Leah's. Victoria's the one for me. Crystal made this one. Oh my god, Victoria, stand up! Lauren's, I made it. It kind of looks like a firework because there's sparkling everywhere. Oh no! Right, she's just gonna clean. Devilinas. Oh my god. Ashley's. This is just on one ear. If you have like really thick loom bands, then that's okay. Round one ear, but it's wrapped. Patches. Oh my god, it's coming everywhere. So it's a firework. And then Ava's. It's plain. Goes with the ears though, because they curl up. So, just remember, loom bands equal art. So when this light goes off, it means this video is over. Okay? Bye!